start with the rear. Perform operation. Let's go all the way out now. Hello guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And what are we gonna do today? Well, today I'm gonna show you how you can use the MotoScan app to calibrate your ESA electronic suspension. On my own Beamer it's a R1200GS. Is that difficult? No, not at all. You just need a few parts and of course the MotoScan app. In my description below I make links to all the parts you need. And guys, when you have a BMW, you can't go around the MotoScan app. It's cheap. It costs 50 euros for a lifetime update. And you have an endless amount of bikes you can service, or you can check for fault codes, or you name it. All you need is an Android phone. And as the MotoScan app doesn't work with an iPhone, an Apple. But guys, there is a simple solution for that. Just buy the cheapest Android smartphone you can find. You don't need a SIM card, you only need Wi-Fi connection. That's all you need. So that said, I would say let's start. The first thing we're gonna do, take the body seat off. Both. No, that's easy. This is one. Carefully place it out of the way. Then take your MotoScan app hardware, this. You have that special cable. You need that one. And of course, you need the OBD2 interface, the Bluetooth interface. This is the UniCarScan 2100. Works great. That out of the way. This in my pocket. Take the connector cap off. Attach the cable, connect the cable, hop, click, then take your OBD2 interface, connect it. There is a red light shining, blinking, not blinking, shining. Okay, that's good. Then we're gonna put the bike on ignition, of course. Wait until the Atari has finished all his magic, checking everything. Open the MotoScan app. Have a look over here. The first thing I always do is do an adapter check. So I am sure that that Bluetooth device is connected perfectly with my phone. And that's easy. Over there, do an adapter check. He already found this device, the UniCarScan. Then scroll down. 3 times yes in green. Always good. Then we go to the R series. This is an R series. and mine is the K25. That's over there. Then we're gonna go to the central chassis electronics, the ZFE. There's opening, okay. And then the first thing we're gonna do is read the trouble codes. Read the trouble codes. No trouble codes found. Great. Then we go back and we go to service functions. That's over there. And there we see ESA calibration in the rear. Okay. First start with the rear. Perform operation. Let's go all the way out now. Calibration in process. It's that motor, and now it's going all the way back. Takes a while. Calibration completed successfully. Yes. Then we go to calibration in the front. Calibrate, perform operation. This is a flaw in the software, guys. He already said it's done, but he's still busy. Going all the way up, going all the way down. You have to just wait. Okay. Then we go back and we go read trouble codes again. Maybe it was out of spec. You never know. No trouble codes found. Then we can identification, the units. It's manufactured, lower leer, Fahrgestell, electronic high. Okay. I think this is all right. Guys, then we go to live data. Live data. And at the bottom you see add parameters. Okay. Then we go to input digital. And then we go down. Down, down, down. And there you see ESA button if configured. Configured. Difficult. That's this button over here. So select it. Then we go back and we say play again. Now, ESA button is off. Then I'm gonna push it and now it's on. Off, on. So I know now if that my ESA button is connected to the machine. Guys, at the bottom you see coding. And I'm going to show it to you just briefly. If you don't know what you're doing, keep away from this. You can do a lot of harm to the bike if you select the wrong parameters and code it into your machine, and sometimes you end up going to a dealer to get it set to the right parameters. So if you don't know what you do, stay away from this. Well, then now we shut down the MotoScan app and problem solved. Problem. Then about off connection, of ignition. Oh, this one. This one. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, 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 dee. Oh, hier. Zo. Yes. En. Oké. De cap. Hop. De body seat. One and one is two. So guys, well, that was my video about the MotoScan app and some tips and tricks. I hope you liked the video and learned a few things. And if you did, guys, subscribe to my channel. Costs nothing, fully free. Give me thumbs up, also good for the YouTube algorithm. And that's the most important thing, share my channel on all your socials. All your motorbike friends, share my channel, so they can benefit too from my maintenance videos. And it's a win-win situation. And for now, old mechanic.